So this is a 71 Ford Bronco. It has a Coyote 5-liter and a 6R80 trans. So Custom Built Cars is a program they started about 4 years ago where the teacher takes students through the steps of restoring a car from the ground up. We started with this Bronco with it being barely salvageable. I mean, something that you would barely want to touch, to, well, where it's at now, which is SEMA quality. I mean, it made it into the show, so that's got to say something. The build time took about 5 months, including the drivetrain. Like I said, it's the new Ford Coyote 5-liter. It's out of a 2014 Ford pickup that was wrecked. There's not much done to the motor. It's pretty much stock, but it makes 500 horsepower, and that's plenty out of something that weighs less than the newer trucks do. The tailgate, we did a lot of work on, but it was salvageable.
For me, a big game changer is when we saw the paint on there. It was just big, like we could really see what it was going to amount to be.
It's pretty easy. I thought it would be pretty difficult because I've done weather stripping on my own vehicle before. It was really easy. It's really easy to take in and out. Like I said, I thought it would be a lot more difficult, but just have to glue it down and stick the grommets into the steel, and it stays in place. It's amazing. It's really good, and I'm happy with it. I think we all are, so.